Hi, Dr. Mark Beaty here, and I'd like to talk with you today about a really cool new technology we have called Pixel8-RF. And this is a device that uses radio frequency technology delivered to the surface of the skin with tiny little microneedles. And the goal is to improve skin quality, skin tone. It can improve pore size and fine lines and wrinkles, and really has proven to be outstanding treatment for us, either as a standalone maintenance treatment for people who have some early aging changes, or as an adjunctive treatment for people who are getting maybe some bigger procedures done to improve the shape and contour of their face, like Ulthera or cool sculpting. So very simple to do. It's an office procedure. We generally do it under local anesthetic or sometimes just a topical cream. People are able to go right back to their normal activities on the same day and wear makeup after about 6 hours. Some mild pinkness is about all that needs to be expected, so there's no real recovery time, and a really outstanding degree of result, particularly when used on a consistent basis.